Let me show you guys on how you can top up your contract or you want to activate as a newbie. All right, so I have about 5 contracts running right now. You can see 5 contracts running right now on my dashboard. 5. So I want to top up. So for those of you who don't know how to top up, or you want to, the first step you need to do if you are a new member, all right, make sure you guys to click on this area called Bytenet News first. You have to just make sure to click on this Bytenet News. All right, click on it, then you log in again. Click on it, then you log in again. Then you, after you click on, let me click on it right now. So when you click on it, all right, let me show you again. You click on this area, it may take you out, then you log in again. All right, then you just come to this area and just do some little tags around this area. You are good to go. Just click on this area, you are good to go. So then you are good to go. Then you just need to click on this area to fund your account. Click on this wallet area, then you fund. Right, very simple. Now once you fund, you come to this deposit area. You can fund with Bitcoin or BCH, wherever type you want to go for, either BCH or you can fund with Bitcoin Cash. Make sure you send, let's say you want to send $100, make sure you send up like 105, 103, because of the extra charges they normally charge you when you want to fund it. And you see, make sure you change your charge like 105, 103. All right, it's very important. Then you come to this area again. You can fund with Bitcoin Cash, and make sure you check the charges. If you want to send, you just need how to send everything. So once you do that, make sure your account is ready with the money. So right, because I'm already a member, but I want to top up my account. So let me just show you. So I want to top up my account, right? I want to top up my account right now. So I have like $100 right now. So I want to go for another extra contract right now. You can see I have about 154k right now. Then I want to, my contract right now is now 5. You can see 5 contract. So let me just go back right now. So if you want to top up your contract, it's very simple and easy. What you need to do, just come to this area. All right, click on that area, click on it. When you click on that area, click on this apply, come to this area and click on this apply this area. I want to drag this thing to this icon. I don't want, so I can show you very clearly. Click on this apply, right? Apply DeFi whatever contract. When you click on that area, then you scroll down and click on this area called what? Start your staking. All right, start your staking on this area. Start your staking. Then when you click on that start your staking, you have to just make sure to click on this continue to invest. Very important. Then you need to click on continue invest. Then you scroll down again. Then you now click on this confirm. You can see confirm selected token. Confirm selected token. All right, a very simple. That's all. You have to just wait for it to load up within. All right, just wait for it to load up, which is $100, 1 contract active. You can see it's been successfully done. So right now you can see I have about 184k right now. You can see. So that's how you top up your contract right now. That is growing day by day. It's growing. I have like 6 contract right now. For me, 6 good 6 contract right now. You can see right now, which is a 6 right now. So if you want, that is how you can easily keep topping up your contract day by day and start increasing your contract for the future references. So see you guys in my next coming video. Do where to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Don't understand anything about Cryptex, try to join my Telegram. The link is down below this video. We are going to learn everything, what is Cryptex, how it works. If you want to know more, reach out to me on Telegram. I'm available anytime. Reach out to me right now. If you have any question, DM me on Telegram. I'm here to answer all your questions. Thank you guys for watching the video. Bye for now, guys.